Americans were shopping this holiday season. They were just doing it online at Amazon.com. Joining me to talk about Amazon's December results, TheStreet.com's Director of Research, Colin Gillis. Welcome, Colin.
Hey, Greg.
Very big beat here, 52 cents versus estimates of 40 cents.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this is definitely a tale of two different types of economies that are going on. Not only did you not see gross margin compression, you got a healthy beat across every metric in the December quarter. Online commerce is alive.
What does this mean for the consumer, though? They're not going to malls. They're ordering from the computer. Is that what's going on?
Yeah, and we still have to be concerned. It was a great December quarter result. The March quarter guidance gave a pretty wide range, right? If you go back and you look at some of the horrible drumbeat of bad news, 75,000 jobs lost on Monday alone. The March quarter still has an awful lot of iffiness surrounding the consumer spend.
And they're giving very wide guidance to show that iffiness.
Yes, absolutely. There's even though we had good December quarter results, right? We're not out of the woods on consumer spend yet. So companies like the Amazons and the Apples, great companies, but we still have some concern, in terms of when the consumer spend is going to come back, on a robust level in 2009.
So they're not sandbagging; they're just kind of leaving it wide open of sales higher between 9% and 19% for the first quarter.
Yeah, and here's the interesting thing, right? On the December quarter, when everyone was concerned about this gross margin pressure, Amazon did come out and say, "Hey, this is the best quarter we've ever had." So here's the proof.
What about the Kindle?
So the Kindle, very successful. They've got more than about 250,000 titles online that you can get on the Kindle, including almost all the top-selling books. There's speculation that we're going to hear news about a new Kindle being made available, this spring, perhaps later in February.
I better get an old Kindle then.
Wow.
All right, are there any other takeaways we can take from Amazon's strong earnings report? Because there's not really a clear comp anymore. eBay is in a very different business. Is Best Buy the best comp?
Yeah, so the thing we'd be looking at is, if you want to stay on the big cap side, right? Google is a good play because it shows the level of commerce that's happening out there, but they're not going to have the same margin pressure that an Amazon might have because there's not the same price fight that happens. And then on the small cap side, there's a company called CyberSource, ticker CYBS. I own that personally. That also posted results today. It's too bad both data points came at the same point, but they blew out their numbers and gave a robust outlook.
Stock is popping after hours. Do you buy it here?
The thing we like about Amazon, it's not just a commerce play longer term, right? They have a tremendous cloud. They're going to be powering and letting people start their businesses much faster. It's a play on the future. So if you want to own it, try to get it on the dips, but you do want to own this name.
Colin Gillis, Director of Research at TheStreet.com, and I'm Greg Greenberg. Please come back. Thanks a lot, Colin.
Thank you, Greg.